In this video, I'll show you how to fix the screen resolution problem on your Windows 11 computer. So this is going to be a nice and straightforward tutorial. You just need to head over to the Start menu and search for Settings. Then click on the Settings window and from the left-hand side, select System. Then click on Display and scroll down until you see the Scale and Layout section. Now, typically, you want to set both scale and the display resolution to their recommended numbers. So you can see if I click on the drop-down menu, I have this recommended text next to the resolution that's best fit for my display monitor. However, if you do want to customize this and try a different resolution to fit your screen, then you can just go through each of these options to find which one works best for you. So for example, let's change mine to 1360 by 768. And if you're happy with the changes, you can select Keep Changes, otherwise press Revert. And then what you need to do is try another number from this list until you find the screen resolution that's best for you. You can also do the same for scale as well. Again, I like to keep mine on the recommended number, but you can try adjusting this to either 100 or 125. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.